Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Fortnite, change it maybe back to English. Now as you can see it's Spanish for me, so you want to go ahead, open up your Fortnite, then go on your profile icon here. You can also click options key on your controller, then go to settings here, and on settings you will see here at the top a lot of options. You want to go ahead and choose the one with the gear icon and the controller, or you will see only gear icon. You will see this is the matchmaking option, and idioma for me it is the second option is a language, and as you can see you can choose the language, so you can go back to the system default or just choose English, and then you're gonna apply the changes. To apply the changes on PlayStation you're gonna click triangle, Y on Xbox, and X on Switch, and after that here it is, it's back to English. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.